What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel back at it. Hold on, Buhn. Cut it. Hello? Vanessa. Really, Vanessa? I tell you on Friday and Saturday I do video Vanessa. Oh yeah. Vanessa, will you beat the girl for Vanessa? Really, Vanessa, listen to me. Listen. Watch it. Every time argument come up when me talk, you never want me to talk. Listen to what me I say now. Really, Vanessa? I just have one thing to say to you. Really, Vanessa? No, like, alright, let me tell you, let me explain. She come over, you see me, because she hears some trick question in my training. You see me, and she come over and that nothing never happened. Ready now, Buhn, bombard. 1, 2, 3. What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the questions. I'm watching the peeps right now with their Papine. You see me, with their Papine with episode 9 of the questions. A 9 or 7 or 8? 8. That's how we move fast. The way we put out video, we can't keep a track how much video we put out. You get me? So this is episode 8. I don't know, so we're Papine right now. And we are going to move and you don't know what things said. Buhn, watch it. Alright, voila. Buhn, I'm not trouble this time. I'm not ramp. You see me? Wish you for go this time. I follow you for real. That way, yeah. Alright, people. So you don't know Buhn said that way. So without further ado, you don't know. Yeah. Papine. ID.
Big man, no wanna pick me. What? ID.
Just give me a name, G.
My name is Javed and I'm a jerk man in Papine Square. See, good jerk chicken and nice soup.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Them wish pa for find them man, directly wish pa
Yes
man.
man, right front of Bigger Plaza, liquor store man.
Yeah.
12A Garden Town Road. Yeah, Papine Square, see it, you can't miss it. Everything. See, nice soup, jerk chicken, fish, pork, everything. Valuable too. You understand?
King Kamta, the royal clown.
Or clown.
King Kamta, the royal clown.
So how you get that name them in general?
Well, every man a king and my surname a Kamta.
Yeah.
And me is a jovial person with a stand-up comedy and all them thing there.
Yeah, so this is the clown coming.
So the clown come in. That song your name too. You see me?
Yeah.
So, how much eye you have in your face?
2.
How much hole in your nostril?
2.
How much ears up on your head?
2.
So what the significance here 2?
Double.
Alright, run it. 2. Tell them some love number 2. 2. Which boy you born number 2? 2 na ya bingi yada 1 2. How about 2? Move na 4 bow. Me have 2 ears, 2 eye, 2 hole in my nostril. 2 and 2 head, 2 foot me born with. This small let me use and work girl wicked. Me then jump up and down and I say rasta will. A standing man me a figure over the hill. And anyway me go me say me nah draw nil. Me big up number 2 and then want me get killed. All when me a dead me a big up 2 still. 2. Tell them some love number 2. 2. Which boy you born number 2? 2 na ya bingi yada 1 2. How about 2? Move the fubu. Them have 2 car. Them nah give a 1. Them have 2 horse. Them nah give a 1. Them have 2 million. Them nah give a 1. Them even go as far and say me a madman. Them have 2 million and me 1 then give a 1. Them have 2 girl now want catch me with 1. A wheel and a wine and a joke and a galang. Them ball out say them buck a great rasta man. Emperor still say me a fit button pagan. 2. Tell them say me love number 2. 2. Which boy about number 2? 2 na ya bingi yada 1 2. 2.
Yeah man, you know what Joseph I represent, you see me for Uptown, you see the artist said we come back again from the program, you see me? Yeah. And I want to say we just send the youth them a road, you hear that? Yeah man.
Oh, you have tune on them thing there?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, run something man.
Alright, you want to hear that one now?
Yeah.
Well, I'm in love with nature, tropical paradise, me love Jamaica. The sea with the greenery, for me that's major. Island vibes, Caribbean flavor.
Yeah,
well, I'm in love with nature, tropical paradise, me love Jamaica. The sea with the greenery, for me that's major. Island vibes, Caribbean flavor. Yeah, boom.
Yeah.
Ashley.
Tana.
Chevon?
Yeah.
So yeah, deal. Name mention.
Oh, you're artist or something?
No.
My name Lambert, you know.
Lambert?
Yeah, I try to say some nail clip and thing.
Yeah.
You don't know.
You sell fingernail clip and them thing there?
Yeah.
You have whole heap yellow?
Whole heap and thing, and my people know say 100 and 200, you know.
Yeah. So which part people them can find you?
In a Papine, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and thing.
Rajae.
Ricky.
Don't know, say, about my from out of Papine to Papine, though.
Rusty.
Breezy.
Is it Rusty?
Rusty.
Where you get that name there?
An artist they give me it, you know. Yeah, and them long time there, you see me?
Yeah.
Now the artist fly out and the artist still a big up Rusty same way. So you know, so we still have to say Rusty, you see me?
One bad juve, hear that in a real life. Big up
say
your
artist?
vibes,
Yeah.
Big up your vibes entertainment and Baby G, see style. More life and more money. Now me life sweet like money. Have them gyal a back it up for the money. Now she at work for the dollars cause she want money. G this a history like Christy. Mount a goal pa me body them a fit me. Them gyal panty fly that turn frisbee. Man grow rough but me no play rugby. Dog. Internationally, man I go for Grammy. The amount I hit song, I set man have to check Italy. I just my dirty dollars make them gyal a broke me body. Me keep this to myself, man I go tell nobody. More life and more money. One bad juve, hear that.
Anything or anything, man.
Which is correct? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
Penguin, fly. In fly, man. A fly, can't fly, flies. Flies are something where you champ and meat and then thing there and come down, you know.
No, God!
Penguin fly, man. You hear that?
Penguin flies.
Is it penguin flies? Sure?
Yeah.
Which is correct? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
Penguin fly. Fly.
That's a fly, yeah. Flies.
Penguin fly or penguin flies? Penguin can't fly. So, but that's a penguin fly. You know, penguin can't fly. It hadn't even add up to this little look, man. Penguin can't fly. So, the trick with me can't answer that. Because penguin can't fly. Penguin can't fly. You know what I mean? Nothing about that.
Penguin? Oh man, penguin. Penguin no seabird, man. Penguin can't fly, man.
No. Penguin? Penguin can fly.
Penguin fly. Penguin can fly.
So what you say?
When you say no, I told them no if penguin can fly.
Penguin can't fly.
Can't fly.
Which is correct? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
Penguin flies.
None of them. Penguin can't fly.
None of them. Cause penguin a seabird, you know. Him not deal with nothing in a year. Yeah. So not flying no in a penguin thing. Yeah, and does have wing. Yeah.
Penguin fly, flip him wing and fly. Yeah.
You're wrong still.
Me wrong. I went the flies. I went the flies. I went the surface, seal.
You know that thing about penguin fly or penguin flies?
Where say penguin fly or penguin flies.
Yeah.
Flies are more than one thing, you know. So the penguin is surface, man.
Yeah.
In surface.
But you want to know, you know, penguin can't fly.
Penguin.
Them can't fly.
Oh! I swim, man. I swim now.
Yeah.
Penguin swim, brother.
All right, next on my boss, right? What word becomes longer when you add 2 letters to it?
Repeat that question and my brain interpret it good.
Which word? Me don't know that one there, no, that. I'm not gonna lie.
Easy, man.
Me don't know it, brother.
Which word become longer when you add 2 letters to it?
I don't know.
What word becomes longer when you have 2 letters to it?
Yeah.
Longer, man.
Freeze.
No, no.
Think about it, man. Think about it. What word become longer when you add 2 letters to it?
No, know that one. It all depends on the word. Is it me I say? Yeah, all depends on the word. Yeah, man, it all depends on the word, man.
So you say one the answer then?
Yeah, man.
The answer long, man.
Cha.
What word become longer when you add 2 words to it?
2 letter.
2 letter. ER.
What word get longer?
Yeah, when you add 2 letters to it.
Some letters short, like you spell certain word. Some taller, like you spell certain thing. And it get longer, and some word short.
What word become long when you have 2 letters? Yeah. What word? That one they have me. Let's go. That one they beat.
It's simple, man. Trust me. What word become longer when you add 2 letters to it?
What word become longer when you add 2 letters to it? What word become longer when you add? What word become longer when you add 2 letters to it? What a past and present tense?
I don't know.
Long. Can you add ER? Longer.
What word become longer? When you add what?
2 letters to it.
You know, I don't know that one.
I pass.
Eh?
What word become longer when you add 2 letters to it?
What word become longer? When you add 2 words to it?
2 letters.
Letter?
Eh?
Letter?
A plane crashed downtown, right? And every single person dead. But 2 persons is still alive. How is that possible?
Very impossible, man. Cause if a plane crash downtown, everybody dead. Everybody not dead, man.
No.
Not 2 somebody can survive, brother. Then die.
Sure.
Positive, then not die.
I said the plane crashed downtown, you know, and every single person dead. But 2 survive. How that possible?
That's impossible. That can't possible. That must impossible, brother.
Everybody dead already. Nobody can stay alive from the plane crash, though.
Everybody dead. Nobody can be in somewhere because every single person dead.
Why that's not possible? Because it just how I go say. Everybody put him something there, is it so? It's impossible if you say somebody alive when you just say a while ago say somebody the plane crash and everybody dead, so nobody can alive in it.
That's not possible. That's not possible.
So not possible because everything for dead.
Eh?
Everything for the person dead, you know?
Yeah.
2 persons can't be alive. Yeah.
The plane crash and 2 persons survive.
The plane crashed downtown Kingston. Every single person died.
Right.
But only 2 persons survive. How that possible?
Because they never take the plane. None of that. None of that.
2 persons survive.
How that possible?
That's impossible, man. If everybody dead, everybody dead. Nobody supposed to can that.
Because one person die, man, can single, you know. And so, they say a single person die. Every single person die.
But only 2 survive. How that possible?
Well, that's impossible, brother.
Listen again, you know. A plane crashed downtown Kingston, right? And every single person died. But only 2 persons survive. How that possible?
Most 2 persons on the scene.
Nobody can alive, you know, because first thing you tell me say the plane crash and everybody dead.
Every single person dead, but only two survive. How that possible?
Every single person dead. Unless the two are alive, a wife and husband. No, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright, see you, man.
Everybody dead, man. Kawa. Yeah, is it me? I never done work with that.
A plane crashed downtown Kingston, right? And every single person died. But only 2 persons survived. How that possible?
Because they're a couple.
You're not going on TV, no.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 8. And you don't know, say, how far back a Papine. You get me, I say. So please remember to like, share, and also, really, Vanessa? Really? Yes, the thanks for watching. You don't know, follow me on Instagram at Jnel official_1. And make sure you guys follow Buhn too, because I'm going to stop checking. Say me I go, so that's how me I go. You see me at BUHN_reaction. Thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. Please click the like button. And I'm out. Oh, God, really, Vanessa? You call me? Oh, God, Vanessa.